under the Trump administration, there was a unilateral approach to addressing global issues. The United States said, we'll do it ourselves. America first. My expectation is the Biden administration will adopt a multilateral approach, which means very close alliances with the European Union and other strategic allies, in a broader scheme of things, but also specifically engaging China. When it comes to Africa, the U.S. and China can collaborate to provide vaccines to Africans, manufacturing vaccines in Africa. If you see President Biden's, one of the key priorities of the Biden administration and the president himself is climate change. The U.S. has just rejoined the Paris Club. Climate change is a global issue. It's not an American or a Chinese issue. This will be, for example, one area that the U.S. and China can collaborate on.